Hello guys, it's a Sensex expiry day. So let's quickly look at the post-market analysis and then the detailed analysis I'll do once complete data is available. Okay, so if you look at what happened today, we got in between R3 and S3, perfect straddle play, and you go. This is the first candle, the close is also within that candle. So you got a up move, then a down move, premium got adjusted, and then went to R3, you got the reversal, just like last day also, R3 reversal to 20 MA bounce. So we got the R3 reversal trade, we got the 20 MA bounce trade. Even from here, we got the 20 MA trade. This live trade I will attach with you, you can watch. And this live trade also I will attach. This live trade also I will attach. I got 100 point here, I got 45 points here, I got 50 points here, and then again I got 70 points here, I got 90 points here. So all these one by one I will attach. So you can see here, even after that, once they came to this level, it got the support just like yesterday. That trade already I have attached yesterday. So if you have watched it, you could have made it. Otherwise, if you were part of the live market session, you would have made it. The trade I have attached again is live market session. And then after breaking this, when it gave a retracement to 20 MA, this also actually gave you 80 points. And again came to 20 MA, gave you another 80 points. Came to 200 EMA, gave you 100 points. And this one gave you almost 150 points. So this is the moral of the story. Nothing more to discuss. So this is a quick post-market analysis. It's full of opportunities. Even though it looks like a straddle day, a day for sellers, you got the close in the first 5-minute candle itself and between R3 and S3 and everything, but still option buyers got a lot of opportunity and we got a beautiful profit also. So if you would like to join our live market mentoring session, you can get in touch with us. See you there. Was Sensex expiry day. So how was the day? In this video, what I'll be doing is I'll give you a live trade so that we have taken along with the live market mentoring participants. So we have the live market mentoring program. And if you are interested, you can join that. So here we have taken a trade at 20 MA. So I'll show you the trade opportunity and I got 100 points in this trade. That too live with all the mentoring participants. Okay. So if you look at this. So we got this up move. This is Sensex, and you can see here 27th of May, and it's opened here gap this up move, and then gave a reversal. And we were looking for this is my 20 MA, this red line. So this is a 20 MA. So after giving this move, once it gave a retracement, this is where we punched, and we got an entry at 224. I got at 224. I added at 224. You'll be seeing all those. And partially we started exiting when we started getting the move in our favor. And the 224 entry went up to 324. And my final exit I did at 324. So 1043, 943, I think that is when I took the entry. It just took 3 minutes only for getting that 100 points in this trade. Okay, and then later I'll upload a trade where this is 20 MA reversal trade when the price is below 20 MA. Maybe tomorrow you'll be watching this trade also that I've taken. That is on the upside. So when the price is on the upside, 20 MA, the same line that give you a reversal on the upside trade to 200 to something like 250, 50 points I got. So here I got 100 points. Here I got 50 points. And then this also, I'll attach one by one, not all together. So in this video, what you're going to watch is, so you'll be watching when the price came below 20 MA and it was a sharp bearish momentum it was indicating, retraced to 20 MA and we got a put buying opportunity, and it is taken along with the live mentoring participants, and this is how we start. We trade in the live market and we teach in the live market. So if you're interested, I'll share the details in the description. You can contact my team and you can join our programs, okay, so that you'll get that practical experience. Now watch the video. Now it's at 20 MA. So I'm trying this at 224. Yeah, this I've taken at 224. Again, 10, 15 points stop loss. It's at 20 MA, 240. I'll reduce some at 244. Beautiful entry. How many of you got it? 20 MA. Still have 300. 250. I'll reduce some at 254. 30 point, if you planned, you got it. Those who waited for 20 MA, 30 point, you got in a flash. I got an entry at 9:43.18. Within 20 seconds, look at this, 224 to 252. Now, see, if you are, I'm looking for more now. Those who are looking for 20, 30 points, it's done. That 20 MA rejection. So how many of you got that? Just this 200 I'll hold till they break this. Yeah, because I have nothing to lose in this trade now. Even if this 200 goes below 210, still I will not be in loss. It's 260. 70. I reduce some at 265. So how was this trade? 280. 50, 60 points, right? I reduce some at 280. Look at it. 224 to 280. 60 points. How much time it took? 290. Yeah. It's in a flash we got it, right? It's 290. I reduced them at 290. I got 287. So see this 224 to 287. How much time? 943, 946. Matter of 3 minutes, 70 points. 303. I reduced them at 307. Let's see if we get 324, I'll get 100 points. 310 now. 317, 320. 320, guys. Close to 100 points. Can you give me 324? 324. 100-point trade live in front of you. See this 943, 224 entry, 946, just 3 minutes, 324 final exit. The trade is as we discussed, as we planned, 20 MA. And that is why, if you see, I can add more. Can you see 600 I've added? 224 to 324. How many of you got it? How many of you enjoyed the trade? That's the setup. That's a system that you have to believe in. So it doesn't matter. It took our stop loss, right? I should have avoided. I know, but I tried the strike price VWAP, right? The call, this put when came to strike price VWAP. I had all the capacity to hold also, but I didn't do that. I exited. Look at it. 201. Where is my stop loss? 16 points. And since I'm not comfortable, I took only 300 quantity. But come to my setup, that is 20 MA. After this dip coming to 20 MA, I look for this fall. So I doubled the quantity, 600 quantity. Now I have exited where 324. Where is it now trading? 258. Can you enter now? It is again coming close to VWAP. You can try. Those who didn't get the trade, you can try. But I am done. Done for the day. Whatever small profit we have, I'm done for the day. How many of you are also done for the day? How many of you got this trade, 20 MA trade? Great. Many of you. Very good. You also got 100 points. Great. Yeah. Happy. I don't want to spoil this, no? Yeah, 50 points, 70 points, 100 points. So you also gave a limit order like me. Now it's at VWAP again. Looks like a small risk can be moved now. Gone. Yeah, 249 it came. Now 280. Sure. Could have tried. Now it's okay. Leave it. Hello guys, it was Sensex expiry day, so I hope all of you have done well. In this video, I'm going to show you a 20 EMA support trade. So previous video, I hope you might have seen a 20 EMA reversal trade. So here, what I'll be showing you is, this is a trade. As you can see here, the previous video I have shown this, the price is below 20 EMA, retraced to 20 EMA, I got 100-point trade. If you haven't watched, just watch that, okay? And at that time itself, I told you I'll attach this video also. The price now crossed 20 EMA and then it gave a support at 20 EMA. Even yesterday also similar price action. You see, yesterday, I'll show you in this. Yesterday also, it went to R3, came to 20 EMA, you got a move. Now today also, look at it. It went to R3, reversed to 20 EMA, you got the trade. So here I got an entry at 200 and I got till 250. So it's a 50-point trade. Previous video, I got a 100-point trade. Now here again, I got a 100-point trade that I'll attach as the next video. So guys, all these trades are, now you feel like post-market, I'm attaching the video, right? And post-market learning also, it's not that great. Anyone can talk, but these are live trades which are recorded during the market during the live market mentoring program. And this is how we teach. This is practical learning. So if you would like to learn that during the market, how I trade, how I take the stop losses, how I trail the profits and everything, you will be able to watch and learn in the live market. So I share the details in the description or somewhere here. I share the contact. You can talk to my team and join the session. See you there. I'm trying this once again. Added some here at 205 level. Yeah, if they take a bounce, I can take it here. It's 17. I think we should book profits also with 10, 15 points. Earlier we were not booking. That is the main issue. 20 to 25. I'll reduce some here at 225. That's a much relieved trade, I think. We'll reduce some more at 222. We'll just keep this 200. I'm strongly like, I feel so bad for this trade that we must, because I was so confident that we will get it. Otherwise, I won't try 2-3 times. I tried 2-3 times, right? Despite VIX is cooling off, despite all these, but finally gave up and you got the move. Now 230. To 32, I'll reduce some. But this one is fine. This entry that we got. To 49, if I get, I'll be happy. I got to 49. So that's a beautiful trade. 204 was the entry. To 49 I got. I think it still can go, but one small dip is enough. Look at the way premium is going. See, we got an exit at 249. Now it's 230. We have seen that here also. It is going to 200. I'm buying at 200. Reversing to 180. I took the stop loss. Again going to 200. I got an entry. Reversing to 180. I had to take stop loss. Then look at the way it moved. So this entry, this one and this one. It's actually a perfect double top also. Now, why I tried call here is because VIX is cooling off. The way VIX is cooling off, I think our market should give a very good move. And in fact, I won't be surprised if we get a breakout also. right? Especially on expiry day when you get such kind of fix. Look at this now, 269. Can we get a breakout now? No, not at higher price. Hello guys, it's a Sensex expiry day and I've already given you two live trades, right? Now I'll show you the third trade. So let me show you what we have shown. So the first trade that I have shown you in the first video on this day is this trade where I got 100 points. Then I have attached another trade video that is I've taken a this is also 20 MA reversal trade. This is 20 MA support trade. So here I got 50 points. Now I'm going to show you one video, the live trade that I've taken again along with the mentoring participants with explaining and everything. So here is where I'm taking the entry, which is around 200 EMA. So this trade is 20 EMA. This trade is also 20 EMA. Now 200 EMA and VWAP also was there. And again, we got 100 points. 210, 220 is the entry, 310. That means 90 points. So there is a 100-point trade, there is a 50-point trade, and now there is a 90-point trade. So all these trades are taken live in front of mentoring participants. And if you would like to learn this exactly like that during the market, so that's the skill. Post market, there is no point in me explaining all these, right? You have to see, you have to watch someone trading live, and that will definitely change your mindset psychology. If you have fear, that fear also will go. If you have FOMO, that FOMO will also go. If your problem is greed, that will also go. So we have a system, we teach that system. It is trailing stop loss, it is fixing stop losses, and partial booking of profits and trailing to the maximum that you can get, the maximum juice that you squeeze out, just like a sugarcane juice. What you will do, you put that, right, get some first, and then again you put that, get whatever is left in that, and finally that, when you get that 100 points, it will be with very less quantity, but you're trying to squeeze maximum out of that sugarcane. That's exactly the method, the sugarcane juice, how you make. That is how we trade. So if you would like to learn this, get in touch with us and I see you there. Added once again, 222. 222 I have added. Then I saw that is bouncing to above VWAP. Let's see now if this low is taken out, I'll close this. I'll reduce some at 240. So that move was only to shake out. Can get a good move, it looks like. Downside, yes. I reduce some at 250. Simple Sanjay, VWAP and this 200 EMA trade, nothing else. To 67. Look at that. I'll reduce some at 270. I told you, no, we'll get good one. Maybe more. 70. This is breaking, then we'll get it further to 90 level, to 300 also it can give. But this itself is good from this. See, the addition is at 222. It's at, yeah, 290 it went, as 275 it went. Still have 100. Trailing stop loss is 249. To 70. That addition worked well. If instead of addition, to 80. Come on. To 90. We'll reduce them at 290. We have 40 more left. Three hundred. 300. 304 I saw. 100-point trade, guys. Morning also we got. Morning also similar trade we got. Option sellers got much better, right? How many of you got more than 100 points selling in the money call? Look at this. Or even other strike price. Let's see 310. If we get, I'll close this. Hmm. Yeah, 305. Hello? Huh. Huh. Just WhatsApp. I'll share the details. Yeah, that's why as long as we have that 200 EMA, that's a bigger hurdle. They won't cross. Even morning also, this area. But just waiting. See the way they are playing out with the straddle, guys. So what is happening? Initially, you got an open here, got a small up move, down move. Premiums perfectly got adjusted here, straddle, and then stayed here, went till R3. Beyond that, no way, just stayed there, coming down, almost close to day's low. In between, you got it's not a continuous steep fall, you got a spike. So call was slightly going up, put is melting. So it's not one way fall, right? It's not that one way put keep on going up. It never happened. So it was going and then sharp dip. Then again going, then a dip. And again going, sharp dip. Again going, sharp dip. So wherever it was here, that's exactly where now also. But look at the call. So if you combine this, look at the decay. So it's a perfect day where option sellers with straddles will get the maximum benefit. It is opening around here and it's still there only. Yesterday also, same open, went there, R3. Today also R3, came to 20 MA. Today also came to 20 MA, bounced again to R3, bounced again to R3, gave a breakout of R3, means this high is taken out. Today also this high is taken out, then started coming down. And today it's spending some time as it's not yet broken day's low. Yesterday it has broken day's low around somewhere here, 1 o'clock. Then it started going up. So today what we need to see is whether it's going to break day's low or not. If that happens, okay, we have this. Nothing happened, it's 280. It's just there only. But despite this bounce, the premium is not decayed much on put. Call did not bounce also. Fizzy 123 to 135. Despite this bounce, call did not bounce. We like adding some puts, but we already got a good trade, so I'll stick to that. We got 310, guys. So look at the beauty of the trade. 222, almost 90 points.